Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm not using no headset and I'm outside, so can't say. But today is Wednesday, September 17th. This is day 14, I believe. And we have $8,906.40, 71 cents in the portfolio. We are up $129 a day. I took one trade on, where is it? United Health. I took a put. I made $83 on that one right there. Let me see if I can show you guys. It was this, I got it at this 341-ish mark, and I sold it down around 339, 340-ish. And I just took that and I went about my day. All right. Now, as for the other things in our portfolio, they were moving crazy. NVTS, which was at -59 somehow yesterday, now is up +47. NVTS was going, wow, actually it's going amazing. It's actually going amazing. So yeah, we have price targets of like 750. Tomorrow I might sell that contract for NVTS. We have Lulu. Lulu was doing pretty good today, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's up on the day, so that was good. Big Bear AI did pretty terrific yesterday. Today it was okay. Today is okay, but I have price targets of $8 to $10 for Big Bear AI. BAH and Bull did not so great today. So at a certain point in the account, today we were at $9,300, and then there was this move from this 8,000, 9,000 ish to that 9,300 was because of interest rates that were cut. So I also put $10 in on one of those prediction markets, and I made, I guess, $10. So $20 in total. It was do you think interest rates will be cut 0.25 BPS? And surely it was. And that was when there was a massive like move in the market, and then probably like 5 minutes later, just a reversal. Boom. So that's how we got down to this low of like 8,500. Can you believe that? So it was literally just a reaction, a really quick reaction in the market. And Wix doing pretty good. Let's see. I mean, that's pretty much all we have. Yeah, that's pretty much all we have, guys. It's kind of crazy the way Wix moved. I placed a 919 call on Wix when it was at 137, and it is 4,900. Like, I really wish I took that. But that's okay. Anyways, we're going to keep it pushing. We're going to keep on going day by day. Trying to be patient. Trying to actually be patient this time. Because I think really soon our account is going to hit all-time highs. All right? And when it does, the most important thing, this is a note to self. I'm really talking to myself and you guys, is to preserve that capital. When you win, when you get high, preserve the capital and wait, because the market will go back down. It always happens. And I always get caught up in the FOMO, thinking, oh man, it's gonna ride and it's gonna go on without me forever. And that's how you get at the top, and then it falls down, and here we are again. The stock does great, you know, it goes up $20 in one day. You miss that whole move and you get in thinking it's got it'll run a little bit, and then woof, it'll take you out. You'll think, wow, I can't believe it. Same thing with Uber. Uber was at $99 yesterday. Let's pull it up. And where is it now? It's at 93. Today the lowest it was around 92. Meanwhile, let's go to the weekly. It was at 99. It's trying to push to that 100. I think I might get into it. I might get into Uber. If it gets to like a level like 90, maybe 89, I might get it. Might. Big might. All right. But other than that, I say peace. Hope you guys made some money, made some bread in this market. We're going to keep it pushing day by day. And one day, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100K. You guys know how it is. Compound interest. We're going to keep on doing these videos. You know, this is like a little self-diary, but I'm kind of sharing with you guys so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Leave a comment. Tell me what you're thinking. What are you invested in? What are you hoping hits? What do you see your portfolio looking like in the future? You know, I would like to get all the Bitcoin, all that, you know what I'm saying, have all of it in my portfolio, but right now we're small. We're starting small. We're getting to medium. Then eventually when we're large, we do some large things with what we got. But I think the most important thing is getting the basics down, because if you can get the basics and the discipline down while you have a small account, when you have a big account, it's the same thing. It's just more leverage. Like, I looked at the day trade I made today. It's not bad. It's not bad. I make $83, and I think about it. Okay, so that's 1% of my account I was risking, $100. If I have $100,000, that means I can risk $1,000. And in that trade, I would have made $830 in, what was that, 5-10 minutes? So it's the same thing. It's nothing different. It's just scaled differently. So let's get the process down, guys. Let's get the process down. I like swing trades, but I also like day trading. So I think that's what I'm going with right now, like a combination of them. I want to catch the swing trades when they're low at really great levels, but I also want to day trade. But I think the best thing for me is to have less leveraged swing trades. Because I'm very highly leveraged in my swing trades, like bull with like BBAI. BAH is not that bad, but yeah, it's not too bad for BBH, but like maximum probably 2-3 contracts if you're doing a swing trade. That's why I think I'm gonna try and incorporate, instead of chasing like, especially the smaller stocks like Webull. Like I see it like, okay, if Webull can get to a 30, I make like freaking $6,000. Like, it's probably not the best way to go about it, because our portfolio is moving. It's really moving. Like, when it goes up, it moves crazy up. When it moves down, it moves crazy down. It can become an emotional roller coaster. But honestly, I've been through so many emotional roller coasters in this already. It's hard to really shock me now, to be honest, because I've seen 13K go to 7K. So like, honestly, it's you know, you guys that are investing, you know how it is. You know how it is. Beginner things. It's beginner things. So let's just keep the consistency going. All right. With that, I'm signing off with a peace out. We're going to do the same thing tomorrow in the market. We're going to get busy. All right. Have a good one. Have a good rest of your day. Come prepared tomorrow. And let's make this money.